So the best way to secure a sugar mama, you have to go into one of those high-end stores.
Operation Find Me a Sugar Mama. And let's go. Let's see. Alright. All of them girls look poor though. Are you a sugar mama? You're rich? You have money? Are you a sugar mama? You have money? You can support my lifestyle?
So unfortunately, I was not lucky, so I had to go online. Oh, the blood, sure. So my profile is up. You know, I'm finished signing up on all these stuff. And can you believe that nobody was sending me messages or winking at me or saying, I want to support you financially? Can you believe that? So I had to wait and wait. Oh no. I have to do a little something.
When you focus, just focus on me. I know you like the way when I make my way down, make my way down on you. Baby, can you give me all your focus? Just focus on me. 'Cause I do you right.
So then, after that, somebody finally messaged me. And, you know, I had to turn up the charm, work my magic. Okay. Let me give her my bank information. Wait there. She sent the money! We're rich! Money rich! Yo, we're rich! Real rich! So, I have to meet up with her now, Wait. I think this might be her. Okay. Oh! She's here. Hold on. She's here. Where is she?
Thousands infected globally, and there's still no cure for the coronavirus, which is hurting economies all over the world.
The government of Jamaica is prepared to deal with the occurrence of the novel coronavirus COVID-19 in Jamaica. Last week, I mobilized the National Disaster Risk Management Council, which is a representative body of all agencies and stakeholders involved in disaster response. The Ministry of Health outlined various risk scenarios and the plans to mitigate them.
Concrete jungle. No, you don't have to stop it, man. So right now, I should be in Jamaica, on a beach, just a drink my white rum and just a build back and thing, you see me? But then all of a sudden, this corona happened. I just up everything. So I'm packing my bags, literally just getting ready to leave to go to the airport to catch my flight. And then I get an email. Flight's cancelled. So I'm like, what the is going on? And then I got news that Jamaica closed its borders. I couldn't believe it. Like honestly, I really couldn't believe what happened. I just felt stuck. You know what I mean? I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm just Just have to just stick it out and see what happens.
So right now I'm at the airport. As you can see here, everything is empty. Nothing is going on. Yo. So I get a text from one of my friends saying that Jamaica extended its border closure again. Yo, me did vex you.
Then what happened after that?
Me ask Mr. Jessica.
Didn't something happen after that?
Jessica, next question, because you really have pissed me off. Me say next question, Jessica. Blood.
Anthony, what are you doing? You can't take off your mic. We still got more to shoot, man.
Brother, now tell me what I'm not for do.
Man, they don't pay me enough for this.
Take the blood camera.
Yo, man, be
Yes.
cool. What's your problem?
You know you're supposed to take the blood camera.
What is your emergency?
I've been attacked by Anthony Tracey. I've had a pretty rough week. Things just don't seem to be going my way at all.
What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, man, you got you in the shower, though. That's great, man.
It's a good thing I have my uncle in my corner. Trust me. My ratings, tall for that man there. He's the reason why I'm not in jail right now.
Man, your body look nice, man. It's great. Yeah, you're working out. Yeah, perfect. Keep it up, brother. Keep it up, man. Yeah.
I need some advice on how to deal with this situation. Yo, uncle, I really do appreciate you coming to bail me out and thing, you know. I'm not gonna lie, man.
No problem, Sean. You're my favorite nephew, man. And anything we can do to help you, man, I would have to do it, man. But what really happened?
Why, uncle? Some boy there try some idiot thing with me, you know. I know me not take foolishness from people.
That's true. Because we know it from your little kid come up, play around. But sometimes you gotta walk away from the situation, and stuff. Because the man who fight and run away will live to fight another day, And personally, I really don't want nothing happen to you, man. But what really happened though,
So, he just there try instigate some type of foolishness, isn't me? I'm just get mad and just,
Alright, Sean, you can't be carrying on like that, Now remember, you're a black man.
But uncle, I understand the thing, But I can't just make people that try to take advantage of me like that, man. You know it, man.
Yeah, but that's true, Sean. But you gotta restrain yourself, man. Because the system works down here, man. And the system is against us, man. So you really gotta be careful, man. Especially what's going on today, man. You have to be careful.
So you come here for lecture me?
No, Sean, man. No. You gotta see that therapist, man.
Uncle, what kind of foolishness that chat to me? Yo, I can't believe what my uncle are telling me right now. Therapy? After me and a madman. Me and your both know said therapy are foolishness. That don't make no sense. It's a waste of time, that man.
Yeah,
come on. I know he means well, but right now, it doesn't feel like he's on my side.
You really need to go see a therapist, man. You really need,
Uncle, come on, man. Come on.
Just sit and listen to them, man, Just sit and listen to them and explain them, man. That's what they're there for.
I appreciate everything he's saying right now, but at the end of the day, it's my decision. So I'm here at the therapy session. I'm not sure what to expect. I'm very tense, but I'm trying to keep an open mind, and hopefully she's cool, so then I'll be cool, because I really don't want any more trouble, and me no want no more mugshot, you see me?
Mr. Tracey, why am I here? Let's start. Let's get on with it.
I really wish I could tell you, I have no idea.
Mr. Tracey, this session is mandatory because of an altercation you had. Please don't waste my time. Get on with it.
Please don't waste your time. Me never send for you, miss.
Boy, let me tell you something. You could have been charged and thrown in jail. So you better damn well count your blessing. You hear me, I tell you? Count your blessing. Come on. Let's move forward, Mr. Tracey. I have no time to waste here. You don't have no time to waste. I don't have no time to waste. So please, let's not waste each other's time.
Lady, therapy of mad people. People who are mentally challenged. People who are mentally disabled. Me no none of them people. Me shouldn't there, so this is a waste of my time. So I could just finish what I do. You just sign up some paper and just say me cure, and then we're going to waste. Because this is a foolishness. This lady is just not giving me a good vibe. What the rush she a therapist? She must buy her license. I'm convinced she buy her license.
Mr. Tracey, would you describe yourself as a violent person?
Go suck your mother.
That the steer not do nothing to me. And you alone can't steer. Me can't steer too. Answer the question, Mr. Tracey. Would you describe yourself as a violent person?
No. I feel so attacked right now. This lady is just not being understanding, and I feel like as a therapist, you should be constructive with your approach. But that lady here, she's very destructive, and I don't like that.
So, Mr. Tracey, what exactly happened? Because on your file, it says you attacked a producer.
Stop. Why are we even not going to so?
Because that's what you're here for, Mr. Tracey.
I was provoked.
So, Mr. Tracey, you're saying causing physical harm to a person is justifiable?
You're damn right. You see, when somebody enter your personal space, anything can go on.
You know why you got violent? Because you're really a violent person.
I'm not a violent person. Stop saying that.
Mr. Tracey, I'm seeing that you're very tense now.
Lady, you don't know me. That's the thing, you don't know me.
Listen, boy.
Lady.
Listen, boy. You sit down and you talk. You try to make excuses for yourself. But me know because I read your file. And it's not one. It's not one time you do this. It's more than one. So just answer the question.
Lady, you just sit down and talk to me for 15 minutes. You don't know me. I'm there for one incident. So I don't understand why this lady felt like it was so necessary to bring up my past. Like, that was just way below the belt.
I am trying to help you.
You can't help me, lady. You can't help me.
So you've got to do something about your violent temper, Mr. Tracey.
I don't have to do anything about it. There's nothing wrong with me. There's nothing wrong with me.
That's how you feel, Mr. Tracey?
That's exactly how I feel. There's nothing.
You know why your file said those other two couldn't help you?
Hold on. Why are we even not going to write this up?
Because that's...
Alright. You know what? I'm not doing this with you. Alright, have a great day.
Okay, Mr.
Have a great day.
Okay, Mr. Tracey. Okay, Mr. Tracey.
Little more, lady. But I have to sit down here and deal with them.
Mr. Tracey, please don't walk away. How are you going to get help if you keep walking away?
You have big money now. I don't have to deal with none of this.
Excuse me. Let me go talk to Mr. Tracey.